Hello traders, today is the 14th of January 2011, and happy trading to you all. Right here we have the 4-hour chart of the Euro USD currency pair. This currency pair had a very beautiful day yesterday, and the price went up from this level here all the way up here. A huge uptrend yesterday, and even if you are a child and you place a trade to buy yesterday anywhere, anyhow, you will be rewarded because the price was just going up big time. Okay, one of the things that I suspected that was the reason yesterday, because yesterday we were expecting the unemployment claim. But there was one trick that traders used yesterday, because checking the economics news, Mr. Bernanke was supposed to speak also yesterday around 1 p.m. Eastern time, and at the same time at 8:30 Eastern time, the economist news regarding the United States, which is the unemployment claim, is due, because you can suspect it clearly. Unemployment claim data is about to come, and later on Mr. Bernanke is about to speak. Okay, what is he going to talk about? Okay, you suspect that the news is not going to be good, so he will try to justify a bit of his policy, of course. So I think trader knew that the figure is not going to be good, so they were just buying the Euro USD, because if Mr. Bernanke, which is the chairman, is about to speak after the unemployment claim data is about to come out, there is a high probability that that data is not good news, which he is perfectly aware of before everybody else. So he will try to justify the reason why it's not a very good, bright news. Okay, so I think trader yesterday going to the mind of the Fed and try to know exactly the direction of the news before the news. And as you can see yesterday, normally during the news release, the market usually will consolidate before the news. But yesterday, everybody, most of the traders suspect that it will be a bad news, and they start buying the Euro USD because it's a bad news to the dollar. So the euro should rise against the dollar. So many traders use the psychological game and also go into the mind of the Fed and all the news releases, okay, in order to take advantage of the direction of the market. Okay, and yesterday everybody was just buying. Okay, so if you were busy yesterday selling with the overbought stochastic, that's a very bad day to do that. Okay, so in my view, the market has been a bit overextended yesterday. And in normal condition, according to the market patterns, which are trend, pose trend, okay, so we have a beautiful trend yesterday. In the normal condition, the market should pause today or give a bit of retracement to the downside. Okay, so we are cautiously bullish today because we will prefer the Euro USD to retrace back down. What I will do on this chart now, very fast, I will draw my Fibonacci retracement on this chart. Okay, what will be the healthiest thing for the euro to do? You know that we are bullish towards the euro, but it does not mean that if we see a clear-cut opportunity to sell, we will of course take it. Okay, so this is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the move from here to here. Okay, and I also draw a line at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement zone, because if a trend is healthy and is about to give a healthy pullback, the price will usually come in this zone situated between the 50% and the 61.8%. So what I will do now, I will put a spotlight there, okay, where we will be the healthiest thing for the euro to do. It does not mean that the euro will definitely, by all means, because I said it, will go there, but in normal condition, the euro should pull to that section. Okay, so this is about high probability setup. So when we are talking about the technical analysis, people usually forget about the fundamental, but my approach is that you must keep your ears open, which means you pay attention to the economy news. Even if you are not 100% fundamental traders, okay, you do not completely disregard the news. You pay attention to it. You know what time the news are coming. You don't stand on the way of the news. Okay, that's the best approach to adopt. Also to learn a bit about the fundamental, so you are not completely technical. Okay, if you are using that approach, you will cream the market consistently instead of being completely technical and doing your own thing. showing total disrespect to the fundamental traders, because it's not the right way to do it. The best thing to do is to pay attention to other traders and to show them also total respect, whichever indicator they are using. That's why we say to the TSTW24 traders to have the pivot level on the chart, not because we use the pivot level to do anything with, but just to go into the mind of other traders and to know what they are likely to do. Also, those who are using the RSI indicator, when the RSI is overbought or oversold, just go into the mind of other traders what they are likely to do. When it's overbought, they are likely to look for opportunity to sell. And if the TSTW24 trading system is telling you to buy, you take advantage of it, knowing that the price will run very, very fast. Like yesterday, many indicators were completely overbought, but the price was just going up. If you use what we call the master key day trading system yesterday, you will be laughing. That's why we call it a joker. Okay. So we were expecting the euro to give us what I call a healthy pullback, okay? But it does not mean that it will do that, okay? You'll be perfectly normal if it does that, okay? But because of the overextension of this market yesterday, which means people were a bit too bullish yesterday, and the euro rises a bit too much, okay? It's almost like a day and a half move yesterday. So don't be surprised if the euro crash it, bring it all the way down here, okay? Total retracement, okay? Don't be surprised if they bring it all the way down. But the best thing to do, as soon as London opens, okay, our attention will be right here, what I put in this line here. I'll color that yellow line, okay? That's where we go. This is like a racing, okay? We're going to watch how the market will open. And what my advice to the TSTW24 is not my advice, my suggestion. I'm not advisor. And my suggestion to the TSTW24 traders is to step, okay, on the first best time frame of the TSTW24 trading system to zoom into the market to observe what kind of activity is going on in the market as soon as London opens, okay? Like I said to you before, my strategy trading with the TSTW24 trading system is to take the signal, my favorite time frame, to take the signal from the second best time frame of the TSTW24 trading system, and then use the first best time frame as my entry time frame, okay? Or I will take the signal from the third best time frame, and then I will observe the second best time frame, but my entry point is always the first best time frame. Also, if you want to enter a bullish signal, the first best time frame must confirm a bullish trend. And also, if you want to enter a bearish signal, the first best time frame must confirm also the bearish trend for you. This is about how the cycle functions, because if a bigger cycle is about to begin, the bigger cycle will start from the lower time frame and then spreading slowly, gradually into the higher time frame until everybody see that this is now a bigger cycle. Okay, so this is how we use it. Okay, you always pay attention to the key levels on the higher time frame, before switching back to the lower time frame. This is the best approach, okay, into the market. The bigger cycle will always command the lower cycle. So regarding the Euro USD, okay, we are cautiously bullish today, but the best thing that we will expect is the Euro to give us a healthy pullback, and before going up, if the market allow that. As always, we do not assume anything. We do not try to impose our homework onto the market or forecast the market, but we just keep our eyes wide open, okay, and following the price, the number one indicator. We are the TSTW24 traders, the TSTW SYS08 traders. If you want to join us and become a TSTW24 trader, you need to go to www.stochastic-market.com and purchase the TSTW24 trading system. I hope you enjoyed this video also, that you put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you for watching, and speak to you soon.